All right. Good evening, guys. Good afternoon. Good morning. It all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. All right. So, if this is your first time of coming here, you are welcome. This is where we are bringing by tutorial. All right. So, what we do in this channel is that we teach JAMB slash university aspirants um how to pass exams, and also will assist them to gain admission. All right. So if you have been writing JAMB for a very long time, it is advised you become one of our member. So once you become one of our member, we'll guide you and will assist you. You will gain admission. All right. So that's basically all we do. All right. So in this video, please let me not forget, if you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button to become one of our member. All right, you can share the video. After watching this video, you can share it to your friends, invite your friends. All right. So, and we also have a WhatsApp community. We also have a WhatsApp group for our candidates. All right. So our candidates, so our registered candidates. So what you will do, if you want to become one of our candidates, then you let me know in the comment section that you want to become one of our candidates or you want to join our WhatsApp community. Then I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number so that you can be able to message me on WhatsApp. Mind you, the reason why you are joining us is because, just like the way I promised, I'll be giving updates and information that concerns UTME and admissions in this platform, all right, in this YouTube channels. All right. So it is not basically all the time that I might be too busy to put that content here, but I can't be busy to put out the update on my platform. The WhatsApp platform is basically where I drop the updates first. All right. So I'm not always that busy. So what you do is advise you join us, and not only that, we'll also have other problems that you might have. All right. So that we might help you solve. All right. So don't forget that we'll have answers or solution to all the problems that concerns your JAMB and admission. Believe me, 100% we'll have all the solutions, or we'll have all the answers, or we are going to help you get the problem solved. All right. So anyone you are facing, you let me know in the comment section, or you message me on the comments. You tell me that you want to become one of our member, then I will give you my WhatsApp number in the comment section so that you can get connected with me on WhatsApp. Then I'll add you to our platform. All right. So today I'm going to talk about post UTME. All right, so that is basically what I'm going to talk about, because I have come to find out that it is not everybody that finished JAMB knows what is actually a post UTME, and most of them do not even know that there is something called post UTME, and most of them do not even know that most of them felt that it is after JAMB and no other thing again to do. You wait for JAMB to give you admission and you go to school. No, today I have come to tell you that if you don't know for the very first time, or this is the first time, I want to tell you what is post UTME. I want to explain things about post UTME so that you will know. All right, so that you don't miss out your admission because you do not proceed with your admissions. All right, so today I want to tell you what is post UTME, because I know basically you might ask what is post UTME. So post UTME is a post JAMB examination or screening for candidates seeking for admission into various universities, polytechnics, be it College of Educations, and any other tertiary institutions in Nigeria. Right? But mind you, it is crucial to know that the post UTME is not a substitute for the joint admission and matriculation board examination. All right. So because some persons will be like, after JAMB, no other thing again to do. You write JAMB and pass. You also need to sit for post UTME and pass. All right. So you also need to sit for post UTME and pass, and that's basically why we are here for you. All right. So this post UTME, some person might be asking, how is this exam like? All right. Some might be asking, how this exam like. This exam is just like a normal exam, just like is basically an entrance exam, right? So just like a normal exam, um, some schools they use CBT, which is computer-based test. Computer, just like the way it's programmed. Some schools, after you submit your exam, you get your result immediately. While some you basically need to wait for some couple of hours or some days for you to get your result online. All right. So the exam, some school use PPT, which is paper and pencil, right? They use PPT, paper and pencil. You go there with your HB pencil, your eraser. Mathematical set is not allowed. Calculators are not allowed. You go there with your eraser and pencil to sit for the exam. So that's to show you that how do you register this exam? That's the next question to ask. Every institutions have their own procedures and have their own ways of registering this exam. All right. So every institution has their own ways and have their own procedures and the way to register this exam. So that's basically the reason why you need to join us on the WhatsApp community. All right. So that once your school's post-UTME starts, I'll have to notify the platform. Then you message me and we'll get you registered. Then you know that you are ready to write the exam. Right? You are ready to write exam. All right. So that's basically what we'll do for you. You understand? Basically what we'll do for you. So now, some persons will be asking me, when will I know that my school of choice has commenced the sales of their post-UTME form? That is also why you need to be in our community, because if you are in our community, you will not miss out with any update at all. Anything that concerns your admission, believe me, you will not miss out 100%. And secondly, if you are also one of our subscriber on YouTube, believe me, we are going to gain admission and you are not going to miss out with anything that has to do with your admission. All right. So that's basically why we are here for you. Okay. So the exam, some persons is um some persons is 50 questions. Some persons, it all depends on the school of choice. It all depends on the school of choice. I don't know your school. I don't know your school. It is only when you message me that I will know. I will give you all details about your school. But we are still coming for that. We'll be giving all the details about each schools. All right. So that for the people that are not in our WhatsApp community, so that they can be able to benefit also from there. All right. So I can be able to benefit from our platform. All right. So that's exactly how the exam is. After the after the jump, you need to register for post-UTME. Then after post-UTME exam, you go for the exam. You write the exam. You pass the exam. You know that you are now waiting for admission from your school. If you meet the admission requirements, they will offer you admission. But if you don't meet the admission requirements, basically you can write for another year. Okay. But if you want to gain admission with us, you have been writing jam for a very long time now, and you have not, you're not, you have not, you don't get, like, they don't, after writing the exam, they will not admit you. Then basically you need us, all right, so that we can direct you and help you in our own way, so you can gain admission and go to school. All right. So I don't know if I have answered your question that concerns post UTME, because some persons have been asking me, and one thing I always do is that when my candidate asks me a question, I don't feel free to answer them. Like I don't really how would I put it? Well, let me just use the word. I don't always feel free to answer them only, and because I know that before they ask me that question, we still have other persons in the platform that's on YouTube looking for a way out, or looking for somewhere to get, or how to, like, is in need of this. All right, so that's why I always want to put it out online, so that after answering them there, I will still want to. Sometimes I will tell them that go to my channel on so day, you will get this you will get the answer to that question you are looking for. All right, so that's basically what I do. Okay, so I want to encourage you that um if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Believe me, you will get a whole lot of things from here, and you benefit a whole lot from here, and you will enjoy a whole being a member of this channel. All right, so and if you see some persons will be asking like, how is the exam, like how am I going to get their past question? All right, so if you need their past question, you also need to join our community, because in our community we share their past questions for all the schools. All right, free of charge. Okay, we share past question for all schools free of charge. All right, so it is basically for our registered candidates. So if you are a member of our community, you are a registered candidate. All right, so and of course we are there to help you, and definitely you will succeed. All right, so if you don't want to miss out, you don't want to miss out. That's the reason you need us. All right, so if you have any video you want me to do for you, have any question you want me to do for you online here, so also let me know. I won't hesitate to answer all of your questions. I won't hesitate to do the video for you. Don't forget, you can share this video to your friends. Share to them. You are free to share to them, all right, so that they can still benefit from here, so that they can learn what you have learned, and this video will solve a problem. All right, don't forget to like this video, so that YouTube will recommend it to people out there. All right, so that's what you do. You like the videos, so people will recommend it out there. All right, so I love you guys, and I'll continue to love you guys, and will continue to give you guys updates. So subscribe, turn on the bell notification. So until I see you guys again in my next video, don't forget that we still remain Bernie Bite. All right, I love you guys. Keep winning.